What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to make slow motion videos here on your iPhone so your videos can look just like this one right here, where you start speaking normally and then you simply get into slow motion, which is something really cool in here so you can have fun and upload videos online in slow motion. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video. Plus, it really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into today's video in here, I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can actually make slow motion videos. I'm going to show you how you can record the videos in slow motion, and I'm going to show you how you can edit your current video and turn it into a much slower video. And most importantly, for this to look really good, there are a couple settings that you need to actually toggle on or turn on in order to make sure that your slow motion actually looks smooth and it doesn't look like you are lagging. Okay, that's so important in here. Now, jumping into the very first way where I'm going to show you how to create or how to record slow motion videos, I'm going to show you the settings. By simply hopping into settings real quick, we're going to scroll down all the way to camera down here. Okay, simply tap once on camera, and if you're unable to find the camera section in here under settings, simply tap on search and then simply type manually camera, and you'll be able to see camera settings here at the top. Tap once and you'll be brought here to this page where you do have all settings related to camera. Next up, you want to tap on record video. Okay, if you're going to record a video, you want to tap on record video, and you want to make sure that you set the FPS, which stands for frames per second, to the maximum higher number you've got. For example, I've got in here 120 FPS. I've got here at the bottom 120 FPS as well. The higher this number is, the much smoother your slow motion will look like. But please note that we do have a note down here which says the higher the frames per second, the higher that file will occupy in terms of space. For example, you might shoot a 1-minute video and that might occupy you around 1 GB of storage. Okay, so you need to actually check both of the sides. I would recommend you guys to keep it always at 30 FPS. You can say 1080p HD at 30 FPS, but whenever you want to do a slow motion, you can simply switch it to a much higher FPS. It can be 1080p at 120 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS. Now, please note that you also have the normal way of simply setting slow motion under the camera, and that will go into a different category where you do have record slow-mo, which is already in 120 FPS. Now, if you want to record it in slow-mo, I would recommend you guys to keep it on 2040 FPS, which is even much smoother. Okay, now how do we actually record the videos? Simple. Of course, we do hop into settings real quick, and then down here we do have our camera, right? Camera is taking place in here. So here on camera, if we simply switch to video mode down here at the top left corner, you can see that you've gotten here 30 FPS, which is quite slow. Okay, it's slow. You need to change that to actually 120 FPS. So you can also do this here right on camera, and you do not need to go to settings page. Right now, please note that over here, once you simply slide it to the left, it's going to change to cinematic and then slow-mo. So you want to make sure that you stay here at slow-mo. As you can see, we do have 240 FPS in here real quick, which is the good resolution that we've set here under settings. So what will happen in here, for example, if I tap on record and if I simply pass my hand in here, suppose I'm running, okay, I'm running, and then I stop. I simply stop my recording. Of course, I've recorded it under slow-mo. I'm going to simply turn it on, and as you can see, my hand looks already slow because I've recorded it in slow motion. Now, you can customize this by simply further editing your specific video by simply tapping here on this 3 little lines in here, and then you've got in here, for example, this slider that allows you to choose at which minute or second you want it to start becoming slow. For example, right here, I'm going to tap on play. The video will start faster, and then once it reaches here, it becomes slow motion. And you can see how smooth it is, right? It's very smooth because of the higher FPS that we've actually set before. Now, alternatively, you can also record it here on video mode normally, okay? You can also like simply record the video. Let me pass my hand. There we go. Cool. I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna open up the video in here. As you can see, it's normal. The video doesn't have any slow motion in it. And let's say that I simply decide to turn it into a slow motion video. I want it to become slower. I'm gonna tap on these three little lines and oops, as you can see, we no longer have that specific option to turn it into slow motion, right? Now here's where the magic actually comes. You cannot actually turn it in slow motion. For example, to make things much fun in here, I'm gonna select a different video in here, okay? So I'm gonna hop into photos and here I'm gonna select this video right here of my cat actually jumping here to the balcony, okay? So as you can see, the cat in a few seconds simply decides to jump and goes up real quick. So I'm gonna show you how to turn this into a slow motion video. For that to happen, you need a video editor app. So you're gonna hop into App Store and I do recommend you guys to download this app, which is known as iMovie. It's pretty simple and it's a free app. So this is the app in here, iMovie. I'm gonna tap here to open or to download in case you haven't downloaded it yet. In my case, I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna tap on open and then next up we'll tap here on a movie to start a new project. Next up, you simply need to select the desired video that you wish to actually add here. So here we go, I've already selected my video and then I'm gonna tap on create movie with that specific video. And here you can actually trim the video. You can do a lot more stuff in here. For example, I'm gonna trim it from here, okay, by simply tapping here on split and then I'm gonna select this portion of the video and I'm going to delete. Now the video starts right here while he aims and simply jumps up. So what I'm gonna do in here is simply select it once and then I'm gonna tap on this little speed editor in here so I can make it faster or much slower. I'm gonna make it much slower and then I'm gonna tap on play and let's see, the video has became much slower. As you can see, there we go, he jumps now in slow motion. But as you can see, it keeps on lagging because the video wasn't recorded at a higher FPS, just the way I have showed to you guys in here. It's important to record in a high FPS in order to turn it into a good slow motion video. So once this is done, simply tap on done and then simply tap here on export and then save and share the video and then simply tap on save to files, or you can simply save the video to your gallery and this video will be exported and will be saved into your photos gallery here on your iPhone. Next up, you just need to open up photos real quick in here and you'll be able to see that specific video right here. As you can see, already edited and he jumping in a very slow speed right there. This is how you can easily turn videos into slow motion, or you can actually create videos in slow motion without any issue and in a much quicker way. Thank you so much for making it till the end. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.